Am I the a-hole for allowing my 8-year-old daughter to shave her head? This past week, my 8-year-old daughter has been asking me if she can shave her head. It all started after her 17-year-old cousin did the same. I've always seen myself as a supportive mom and let my kids make their own choices, within reason, of course. She had very long, blonde, beautiful hair, just like I do. She was fully aware that I was going to support her decision. School was canceled for the rest of the year, and she won't go back to school until August, possibly September, so her hair will have time to grow out. So last night, I got out my husband's clippers and shaved her head for her. She smiled the whole time and loved the end result. The next day, I took a photo to send to my mom, only my mom. My mom decided to forward it to a bunch of other family members who got back to me. 90% of them agree that I'm the a-hole for not saying no to her and setting limits for her, and also told me that I'm setting her up for bullying. Here's the thing, it's literally her hair. It will grow back. She knows. I asked her if she regretted it, and she is extremely happy that she did it. As for bullying, she knows how to stand up for herself, and that hair doesn't define her